When I set this problem up, I notice that there's a missing term here. There's no y squared term. So I'm going to make room for that when I set it up, and you'll see why. We'll have y minus 5 into y cubed plus, now there's no y squared, so I'm going to put a term in there. I have 0 y squareds, and you'll see why we do this in just a minute. Minus y plus 20. So this is pretty common. If you're missing a term, like an exponent, 3, I'm missing the 2, 1 and none. So I'm going to put that term in here with a 0 coefficient. I have none of those. Now here's what happens. Here's a divide. So divide the first into the first. Y cubed divided by y is y squared. And now when you multiply, y squared times y is the y cubed. We're okay there. But now what happens? Y squared times negative 5 is negative 5y squared. Now, do you see what has happened here? When I put that 0 in for my y squared, I have the y squareds aligned. If I didn't have that, if I didn't put this term in here, this y would be over here, and it would be really awkward to combine like terms. So if you have a missing term, just put it in with a 0 coefficient. So we've done the divide, we've done the multiply, now subtract, so bring down, subtract, so change the signs, minus, plus, now combine like terms. So y cubed minus y cubed, 0. No y squareds, and then you add 5y squared. So now we're up here with 5y squareds. There's the subtract. Now bring down. I'm just going to bring everything down. So I'm going to have minus y plus 20. Start the division process again with the divide. So first into first, y will go into 5y squared plus 5y times, now multiply, 5y times y is 5y squared, and 5y times negative 5 is minus 25y, that's supposed to be a 5, 25y. Now subtract, there's the divide and the multiply, now subtract, so change these signs, negative, positive, and combine like terms now. 5y squared minus 5y squared is gone. Negative y plus 25y's is going to leave us with 24y's, right? Minus 1 plus 25 is 24. And then bring down plus 20. Divide. Y will go into 24y 24 times, so we'll have a plus 24. And when we multiply, we'll get 24 times y, which is 24y, and then 24 times negative 5. So that's going to be 20, positive times negative is negative, 120. Let's subtract, so change those signs, minus, plus, 24y minus 24y is 0, 20 plus 120 is 140. So we'll have a 140 here. Now there's no more y, so the process is done. So let's just write our result here. So it's going to be this quotient, which is y squared plus 5y plus 24, along with this remainder. Now this is positive. So up here, I'm going to write a plus 140 over our divisor, which is y minus 5.